Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to craft a Voyager rod, a powerful fishing tool. To begin, you must first reach player level 400 to unlock its crafting recipe. You will also need to gather specific materials and 30,000 in-game cash. This rod offers incredible perks, including an infinite weight capacity and a special orbital cannon ability, making it a valuable addition to your fishing arsenal. To craft the Voyager rod, you will need 3 essential materials. First, gather 3 opals, which can be found at the meteor crash site within the Ancient Isles. Using a meteor totem can help spawn them. Next, acquire 3 void wood by fishing diligently at the keeper's altar. Finally, secure 1 magic thread, obtainable through fishing or by opening treasure chests. Remember, a crafting fee of 30,000 cash is also required. Once you have all your materials, your next step is to reach the crafting station. Journey to the Ancient Isles and find the secret Ancient Archives chamber. This area can be tricky to access, often requiring you to navigate obstacles and use a glider to cross broken bridges. Inside, you will find a large stone anvil. This is your crafting station. Interact with it to bring up the crafting menu and select the Voyager rod. After successfully crafting, the Voyager rod offers impressive benefits. It boasts a 15% lure speed and an 85% luck stat, along with an infinite maximum weight capacity. A unique passive ability gives a 25% chance for caught fish to become fossilized, boosting their sell value by 2.5 times. Additionally, it features an orbital cannon that launches a laser beam, accelerating your reeling progress by 20% over 3 seconds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.